Hi everyone, welcome back to iVisa's YouTube channel. I'm Dalma, your cool travel expert. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to overcome fear of flying and enjoy your travels without anxiety. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos on travel tips, destinations, and visa requirements. So let's get started. Fear of flying is a common phobia that affects millions of people around the world, including me. It can cause panic attacks, nausea, sweating, trembling, and even prevent you from traveling altogether. But fear not, there are ways to cope with this fear and make flying a more pleasant experience. Here are some of them. Educate yourself about flying. One of the main causes of fear of flying is the lack of knowledge about how planes work and what happens during a flight. By learning more about the physics of flying, the safety measures in place, and the normal sounds and sensations you may encounter during a flight, you can reduce your anxiety and feel more confident. Prepare yourself mentally and physically. Before your flight, try to relax as much as possible. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, or drugs that may worsen your anxiety. Practice some breathing exercises or meditation techniques to calm your nerves. You can also listen to some soothing music, watch a funny video, or open the Calm app to distract yourself from negative thoughts. Choose a good seat. If possible, book a seat that makes you feel more comfortable. Some people prefer window seats because they can see what's going on outside and enjoy the view. Others prefer aisle seats because they can move around more easily and have access to the bathroom or the cabin crew. You can also opt for seats near the front or the wings of the plane where there is less turbulence. Bring something familiar or comforting with you. Having something that reminds you of home or makes you happy can help you cope with your fear of flying. It could be a photo of your loved one, a favorite book or magazine, a stuffed animal or pillow, or anything else that brings you joy. Talk to someone who understands. If you're traveling with someone who knows about your fear of flying, let them know how you feel and ask for their support. They can reassure you that everything is fine and distract you from your worries. If you're traveling alone, don't be afraid to talk to the cabin crew or other passengers who may be in the same situation as you. You may find comfort in knowing that you're not alone. Use positive affirmations or visualization techniques. Another way to overcome fear of flying is to use positive affirmations or visualization techniques that help you replace negative thoughts with positive ones. For example, you can repeat phrases like I am safe, I am calm, I enjoy flying, etc. in your mind or out loud whenever you feel anxious during a flight. You can also imagine yourself in a relaxing place like a beach or a forest where you feel peaceful and happy. Seek professional help if needed. If your fear of flying is too severe or interferes with your daily life, you may want to seek professional help from a therapist or a counselor who specializes in phobias or anxiety disorders. They can help you identify the root cause of your fear and provide you with effective strategies to overcome it. There are also online courses, books, or apps that offer guidance and support for people who suffer from fear of flying. Calm has a whole meditation series called Calming Flight Anxiety. I specifically recommend that one as that is the one that usually works for me. Those were some tips that can help you overcome your fear of flying so you can enjoy your travels without anxiety. I hope that you feel more confident and relaxed the next time you board a plane. You can save this video too. And remember, flying is one of the safest modes of transportation in the world, and it opens up endless possibilities for exploring new places, cultures, and experiences. Speaking of which, if you're planning to travel soon, don't forget to check out iVisa.com, the best online platform for getting all your travel documents easily, quickly, and affordably. Whether you need a visa, an ETA, a health declaration, or any other document required by your destination country, iVisa.com has got you covered. Just download the iVisa app, fill out an online application form, pay with any method of your choice, and receive your document via email in no time. No hassle, no stress, no worries. iVisa.com makes traveling easy for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Download our iVisa app or visit iVisa.com today and start planning your next adventure stress-free. Focus on travel, not paperwork. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos on travel tips, destinations, and visa requirements. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.